You have been charged with creating a disturbance contrary to section 95(1)(b) of the Penal Code. And the particulars are on the 3rd day of April 2023 at around 11:30 hours along Kenyatta Avenue in Nairobi, within Nairobi County, created disturbance in a manner likely to cause breach of the peace by erecting a barrier in the middle of the said road, and while standing on the said barrier, shouted, hence causing disturbance and inconvenience to road users. True or not true?
On record, my name is Danstan, Omari, together with my good friend Brian Mabea, for the accused person. We'll be seeking that the accused person be entered on a reasonable cash bail. The offense is charged of creating disturbance. And the particulars issued that he shouted. And now, at the trial, we'll be seeking to understand how many decibels of the voice, because that is a technical question under the NEMA Act, whether the voice was disturbing to anybody. Actually, the accused is only but a national hero fighting for the rights of those who do not have food or who can't afford. Criminalizing such an issue, the courts are being used to stop the rights of Article 37. The right to picket, the right to make noise, the right to associate. And if indeed it is a question of blocking a road, that's obstruction of a road, that could be a traffic offense. Your Honor, the suspect is an international brand for this country. Millions are getting income by virtue of his comedy. We are getting in trouble. We are losing as a country. Criminalize comedy. Probably the police didn't understand that that is part of comedy. It was either shooting a show. And nowadays there's no licenses. The governor removed the licenses for shooting.
Remarks. Karibu. Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya and the Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, CGH, Your Excellency, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, my colleague, Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Duale, CS Defence, Principal Secretaries present, Chairs of Committees of Parliament present, our social partners, COTU and FKE, the British High Commissioner, Ms. Jane Marriott, the UN Resident Coordinator, Dr. Steve Jackson, country representatives of World Bank, UNICEF, WFP, FAO, and UNHCR, conference delegates, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. I welcome you all to this third Social Protection Conference that the Government of Kenya is hosting. This is a biennial event that brings together the social protection fraternity from within the country and across the globe. The purpose is to promote shared experiences and learning for improved social protection programming and increasing investments in the sector. In the words of the former US President Franklin Roosevelt, we are constructing a more inclusive society where no one is left behind. The objective of this conference is to promote the scale-up of integrated and adaptive social protection system aimed at addressing multiple vulnerabilities across human cycle risks. The theme is accelerating inclusive and integrated social protection system in Kenya. The strategies for expansion of coverage and improved shock responsiveness. You recall, Your Excellency, that in 2018, you also officially launched the Social Protection Week, whose theme was scaling up investments in social protection for the delivery of Kenya's Vision 2030 and achievement of sustainable development goals. Over the period, social protection sector has seen increased investments.
Your Excellency, sir, with your permission, if we can remain standing, I'm now going to call upon those who are going to lead us in a prayer. We have Alpha Lempaine and Yaqub Mohammed with a Muslim prayer, then followed by a Christian prayer before we proceed with the rest of our program. So let's start with Yaqub Mohammed, please, then followed by Alpha Lempaine.
Good morning all. Assalamu alaikum. Let's pray. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alayhim. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
All protocol observed, may I request that we pray. Our Father in heaven, we thank you so much in view of your grace, which your word says endures forever. For this reason, we thank you. Secondly, we are grateful in particular that you have seen it fit for us to be born in this beautiful Republic of Kenya. We thank you and we are forever grateful that we are Kenyans, for those of us who are citizens. We bless you and we thank you. May you continue to bless